Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about, guys, if you are facing this problem, unable to Wi-Fi app and internet connection is required to verify test of the developer. So guys, keep watching this video, be carefully. So guys, first of all, open setting application appears on screen, and first method is, guys, make sure you have stable internet connection. Guys, if stable internet connection is not available, now change Wi-Fi connection and use the mobile data. Now simply go back from here. Now scroll down and tap on general. Here appears on screen, and now scroll down and find out VPN and device management. You can see, tap on it, and guys, delete or disconnect the VPN if installed or connected any VPN in this area. So simply go back. I hope your problem will be solved. If this method not work, so check the software update is available. If software is update is available, now update your software. Now go back and simply scroll down, transfer, reset iPhone, tap on iPhone reset, tap on reset network setting. Guys, once time reset network setting, I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. If this method not work, now simply open setting application again, and here now simply turn on airplane mode and scroll down and find out Safari application. Here tap on it and scroll down and find out clear history and website data. You can see, simply tap on it and tap on clear history and website data, and close the window, and guys, now reopen setting application. Here tap on it and turn off airplane mode. Guys, I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.